Good evening and thank you for joining us. I'm Scott Reynolds.
And I'm Lindsay Allen. Parents may be surprised with how many teen girls are suffering. Feeling persistently sad and hopeless is alarmingly more common for teenage girls.
WDRB's Molly Jett explaining the urgency to get mental health resources to so many struggling teenagers, Molly.
Yes. A new report out this month from the CDC says more than half of America's teenage girls felt persistently sad or hopeless in 2021. That's double the number for boys and 60% increase in the last decade.
Things got harder after the pandemic because students felt behind and they felt like they had a lot of making up to do.
Jakaya Lesko is a high school junior. She started at PRP in 2020, the year the world shut down. The pandemic made her feel lonely and disconnected.
I didn't really get the high school experience, like the switch. It was more so just like a computer.
She says she was trying to balance that with her part-time job and track practice.
It was like a work overload, school overload, practice overload, like everything would just hit me at once, and I had lost a really close family member.
Lesko ended up in therapy and 2 years later still attends every week.
It was just a lot, and she came through and like made everything better.
She is Renisha Martin, co-founder of Martin and Muir Counseling.
It's heartbreaking to see the young girls struggling.
Data from a youth risk behavior survey shows in 2021, 30% of teenage girls seriously considered attempting suicide.
It's something that I don't think we've ever seen before.
Up nearly 60% from a decade ago.
They had so much negativity in what a woman should be and what a woman should look like, and it's not real.
Martin says parents should look for red flags. A teen withdrawing from their social activities, friends, or family could mean they're struggling and in need of help.
It feels like really good.
Lesko is glad she got it.
She's taught me a lot of coping skills and way to like manage my time and my feelings and what is important and what's not important.
Now she wants to become a counselor and help someone else. In recent years, JCPS added mental health professionals at every school, and we have placed a number of community mental health resources on our website with this story. With photojournalist Greg Shapker, I'm Molly Jett, WDRB News.
Thanks, Molly. And here's the number to call or text if you're ever dealing with a mental health crisis, 988. That is the National Suicide Prevention Hotline. It's free to use, and it'll connect you with a trained crisis counselor 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.